Mr. Paul Chung, it's a pleasure to welcome you.
Thank you.
Could you please tell us something about yourself? Where were you born and where were you raised?
I was born in Calcutta, born and brought up in Calcutta.
I see.
So at that time in 40s and 50s, the habit was the Chinese must receive Chinese education. I did my primary school. Then 54, the change of government in China. So the people in India had lost the hope of returning to China.
Have you been back?
No.
Your parents came to India?
My grandfather came to India.
Your grandfather came.
In the 19th century.
Do you know where he came from?
Yes. I'm from the Hakka. I belong to Hakka. Hakka takes a place in three provinces. We belong to a canton called Maishen. So this group, usually the people in India, from China, usually from Canton, because of the trade route from Calcutta to Canton. So it was easily available. And that time it was a part of a British Empire. You just go onto the boat and you go anywhere. So they came here through that.
We in this city are very proud of the Chinese population of the city and of the great tradition between our two countries. And I would like to know how the Chinese residents of Kolkata, who regard themselves as Kolkatans, look upon this city and our state.
See, we have two types of Chinese here. One is Cantonese. They are the technical people. Then Hakka are the shoemaker and the tannery. People who are staying, the phrase of people going away in mass exodus, our fear, that is past. Now they are going out trickle. I'm very happy to know that only now the return is starting. So for example,
those who are left are coming back.
No, the youngsters, because the basic thing is we don't feel secure here. There's too much harassment.
I see.
So now they have gone out of place. Now India is developing with China. So they found that working in India, recalling their past, they feel that here is better.
So that's a very optimistic
I'm hoping that
statement. I'm very happy to hear that. Yeah.